How to switch to local account from Microsoft account or vice versa in Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, you have to right click on the start button and go to settings. Once you go to settings, tap on the account section. From here, you have to scroll down and tap on your info. Here you will notice that under account settings, you will be shown your Microsoft account or the local account that you are currently logged into. Right beside is the sign in option, which is the method by which you can switch. So if you are using a Microsoft account, you will be logged in or signed in to local account. But if you are already in local account like my device, you will be given an option to sign in into Microsoft account instead. So just by tapping on it and giving your username and password, you will be able to switch between any of the account. So this was it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.